So I wanted to customise the way that my car locked and unlocked. You can get all sorts of features on modern cars now where you approach them, you press your button, the driver's door unlocks but not all the other doors for safety. And as you drive off, the doors lock automatically for safety, so if you stop at the lights, people can't get into your car or whatever. Just makes things more secure. But there are also loads of other hidden features in your car that you can't get access to even through the buttons on your dashboard. So that's where this little chap, the Carista, comes in. It's basically a little Bluetooth dongle that plugs into the onboard computer socket of your car. You get the app connects to this. Then there are certain features that are available depending on the car that you've got that this then shows you. So let's go through the things that I can do on the car and change the settings that I want to change and get my car set up the way that I want it to set up, really. Again, you can see all the other features on here that are available for my car. My car is the VW T6 Transporter, and it's the 2016 model as well. So hope you found it useful. Let's get straight to it. So the first thing you need to do is locate the onboard diagnostic port of your car. Very nicely, VW have made the colour of this pink, and they've made it quite easily accessible, but sometimes it can be hidden down the panel. But as soon as you found it, just plug the Carista in, so you see the red light come on, and switch your ignition on, but don't start the car. So then you need to go into the app. It's going to ask you to Bluetooth pair against the actual dongle itself, so choose it from the list, select it, and then it'll connect to it. The first thing it's going to do is read any error codes from the car as well. Now in my case, it came up, showed me the codes, and as soon as I tried to read the code, it said obviously you need to subscribe. So yes, there's a subscription on top of the purchase price, so you pay for the software and you pay for the dongle. Now it takes you to a website that shows you what some of those error codes mean, but I wasn't too bothered in this case. What I thought I'd do is just reset it and then see if they come back another time. So I've gone through the settings side of it, and it's then downloaded everything it needs to know about my car, and then I can start to do the things that I want to do, like enable the door locking when I drive off, and then I go through and do take the key out of the ignition, the doors unlock. And then I've obviously got the option on here as well. When I lock or unlock, I only get one driver's door, one press is driver's door and two press all the doors unlock. And each stage it saves all these, but obviously you can see all the other options that are on there as well. It's a van, so I don't have a sunroof, but obviously all that does. The opening and closing of windows via the remote, that's great if you've got a hot car, or if it starts to rain you can close them remotely. And the instrument cluster, again, all this is like the readout and what it shows you on the dash, that kind of thing. I thought it'd be quite cool to have it so that the needles go swoop swoop on startup, so I changed that because why not, the option's there. It's a case of just going through each of the options. Some are a bit gimmicky and some are quite cool, but obviously all the options on here are available through the app, and they're quite dependent probably on your software model, the year of the car, how much information it can actually do. It's like this one, one touch indicator down the motorway. It's 3 at the moment, but I've changed mine to 5 now. It came up with this message to say that the dash might have to be factory reset. But it all worked fine. So now when I go down the motorway and I click the indicator once, I get 5 flashes and not 3. So, and again, you've got the lights mode. So which lights come on when you indicate or you turn. You've got the fog lamps on and things like that. I also changed it so that the coming home lights are my fog lamps, not my dipped beam, because the fog lamps are lower to the floor, so it's going to light up more of the space as you walk around the car at night time. Activate the mirror heaters when you do the rear demister, just so if you're driving through fog it does that as well. That one's when you squirt the windscreen, it does an extra wipe a few seconds afterwards when you get the drips down the windscreen. Does it show me when it next needs a service, or the quality of the oil that's left in there? Sadly on this one,
it actually just kind of like went through the motions and then just said that I needed to, or the only thing it gave me was reset the service.
That's it for me today. Thanks very much for watching my video. I hope you found it quite useful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and also hit that subscribe button for more information on all sorts of gadgets and tech and photography and things like that. Until the next time, take care. See you again. Bye.